Hello there. So you've done some investigating about magnets, and you'll have noticed that when the North and South Pole come together, they attract, and when the North and North Pole come together, they repel. And that happens as well with the South and South. So what we're going to do today is actually look at those lines of magnetic force, and this video will help explain or demonstrate what those lines actually are. So here we go. I'm sprinkling the iron filings that you'll also have in your pack. And you can see that there are little lines appearing, but because it clumps together, it looks a little bit, it's a little bit difficult to see. So what I'm going to do is, with the side of my pencil, again, you've got that in your pack, I'm just brushing with the side of my pencil, and you'll also have a little toothbrush in there. The toothbrush actually just brushes the pieces away, whereas the pencil actually makes it easier to see those lines of magnetic force. And you can see quite clearly now the lines appear. If you add another pinch and do it a bit further, you can see those lines appear quite clearly. And you can actually see that they're going here, here, and here. Now, I'm going to tip this back into my container, and we're going to look at what happens when it's north and north together. So they're going to repel. I'm going to put this on my magnets, and we're going to see what happens. And can you see as you sprinkle, you can see the lines that we saw before appear. But in the middle, nothing is attracting. So I'm going to brush it again so that you can see those lines of force. Those lines are really apparent now, like this. Now, what would happen, do you think, if I turned it this way around? They're attracting. I'm going to put them as close together as possible. I'm going to put this back. Put this back on top. This time, we get those semicircular rounds that we see before, but in between the two magnets, it's actually attracting quite strongly. So I'm going to sprinkle a bit more. And I'm going to use my pencil again. And you can see between the two magnets, there's a strong attraction. So it's no longer repelling. The iron filings is attracting it. Have a go and see how well you can get those lines of attraction, those magnetic force lines, to appear. Okay.